Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And of course, today guys, I'm going to show you to fix an issue with Instagram. And this particular issue, as I'm about to demonstrate, involves a error that you'll find when on Instagram. You'll find that as soon as you're on Instagram, if you try to, for example, like or comment on any post, what's going to realize that it's going to find that a error is going to pop up, and it should be as seen on screen here. It's going to say link not allowed, and it says it looks like your profile contains a link that is not allowed. We restrict certain content and actions to protect your community. Tell us if you think we made a mistake. And of course, that's how the error will read. And of course, there's the option for report the problem or OK. And it will keep coming up over and over again. Now, I have two solutions for this problem. Now, first, let me explain why you're getting this error. All right, so if you're having the error, there are two solutions to the problem. But first, let me explain why you're actually getting the issue. And of course, the issue is caused because there's a link somewhere in your profile. So if you were to go to your profile page, there is a link that exists as you're seeing here, and this is an example. Here's my website link. You are not allowed to place anything here. You'll have to put websites that are actually okay. Make sure it's not anything spammy or anything illegal or controversial. If it goes to one of those websites, it will be blocked, and that is to protect the Instagram. Instagram decides what to block. So for some reason, they might be blocking your website link. Second, it might be a case where it might just be a case where you have placed your exact website link or blog or whatever more than 5 times because you have multiple profiles, and you have placed it over 5 times on 5 different profile or multiple profiles. So if you have done that, that's another reason why you are being blocked. And of course, the error will come up in case you have not noticed when you try to comment, when you try to reply, when you like a picture. And also, if someone tries to tag you, like in a post or so on, it will also block you on that. So if you try any form of tagging, all right, the most effective way to fix the problem, and I just wanted to explain it a bit, is to go to your profile page on Instagram. So just tap on profile. Once you're on profile, this also applies to both iPhone and Android users. Simply go to your profile and hit edit. And once you are in the profile section, so once you're in the profile section, just go ahead and delete the website. Now, for most people, just deleting the website. So just go ahead and erase the website. I advise you just try to erase it all at once. You could replace it as well. It's your choice. So just go ahead and erase. And once you erase, just save. In some cases, you have to take it a little bit more extreme. To be on the safe side, you could just do both. It would be a good idea too to delete the bio. So just go ahead and tap on the bio and delete the bio. All right, so just in case you're not sure, make sure you just delete the website or change the website. I advise that you delete it. And of course, to be safe, just delete the bio as well. So just go here and delete both. Mine is fine. I'm not going to change that right now. Once you do that, just go ahead and save or click the checkbox there. And once you do that, you're going to go back. Once you go back to the main profile, you can just go ahead and refresh a bit. You can exit and just simply restart your phone or device and turn it back on. Once you turn back on, usually it can take up to 15 minutes. You can keep checking. Simply go back to Instagram. Once you're on Instagram, go back to your home feed, and once you go back to your home feed, just try to like or comment or so on. As soon as it's fixed, it can take up to 10 to 15 minutes. You should be able to like again without the error reappearing. All right, so that's the first solution. In most cases, 90% of the time, that's the problem, and it can be fixed that way. If it still doesn't work, another thing that you can do to help is you're gonna go into settings. So just tap the 3 horizontal lines top of. Next, go down to settings. Same or similar on iPhone. This is Android, and of course, you're gonna search for the option that says linked accounts, and of course, you'll see several options around here. All right, so you're gonna go from here and you're going to search for linked accounts. It should be found under accounts. Once you're under accounts, you should find linked accounts since everything is grouped together. So let's go to linked accounts. And of course, from here, you're going to look for Facebook. And of course, in most cases, you are not linked, but just go ahead and link your Facebook and turn on all the features for this feature to link. All right, so let's go ahead and link. You might have to log into your Facebook account. If you're already linked, just go ahead and uncheck the option for the linked account and then relink. And of course, as usual, guys, you're just gonna go ahead again and reboot your phone. And once you come back, you should take up to 10 to 15 minutes. And in 10 to 15 minutes, you should be able to come back to your profile. And once you do all of that, you should find that the error is gone. You'll be able to like again and be able to comment and all that good stuff. All right, guys. So that has been two main solutions as how to fix this problem. And of course, guys, the problem is quite simple to fix once you know what to do. As I was saying, the main problem is just the link that you're using. So you may want to delete that. And of course, consider why it's being blocked. It might just be that you have used the link too many times. Or of course, you have linked to something that Instagram does not like. It could be spammy. It could be that it's causing issues to its users. All right, guys, we got to go from Block Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.